Meaning of degree.
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 Degree. The term degree has multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a level of measurement or achievement. For example, in education, it usually refers to an academic qualification such as a bachelor's or master's degree. In temperature, it is a unit of measurement for the intensity of heat. It can also refer to a unit of angle measurement used in mathematics and navigation. In music, it refers to the level of proficiency or expertise in playing an instrument. In summary, the term degree generally refers to a level of measurement or achievement in various fields.